Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Aura HUD script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click over here and get the HUD into your CFX portal and download the HUD. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, go to main, then share.lua. So in the framework section, I'll be keeping it on QBCore. If you're using ESX framework, then you just need to change the QBCore to ESX. Over here, you can configure the stress system. And over here, you can configure the nitro system of the HUD. And there are much more things which you can configure from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now, before starting up the server, make sure to delete the old QB HUD folder from here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the look of the HUD over here. So now let's spawn a car over here. So this is the look of the speedometer over here. As you can see, the speedometers also contain the gear system over here. So now let's change the time of the server. So in the night time, the HUD will look like this, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.